Hello guys, in today's tutorial video we are going to learn how to use absolute cell referencing in Excel sheet. So what is absolute cell referencing? It's just a way of maintaining a single if you're doing multiplication in a cell, maintaining a single value and multiplying it with every other value. In Excel, relative referencing made Excel very powerful such that you don't have to be repeating formula. So absolute cell referencing is just an exceptional case. I know you won't understand it. Let me illustrate something. Right now, I'm using the same Excel sheet of 2023 sales summary for different manager in different sales region. I want to calculate the commission, which is 7% of each of these managers. And to calculate the commission, I have to multiply the total value of each of this cell with the commission rate, which is a fixed figure. Commission rate is a fixed figure. So to fix this commission rate in each of these cell, what I need to do is to use absolute cell references. Now I'm going to use a simple illustration to differentiate the difference between absolute and relative cell reference. Let's do the calculation. Okay, equal to, if I do equal to here, I'll select this, then multiplication in Excel is asterisk, then I click on this, which is J1 equal to, this has given me the commission of Martha. If I want to do the same for Douglas and I use my fill handle, it gave me 0. Why? Because it calculated this and a blank figure. As you can see in the status bar, this is F5 and J2. So instead of fixing J1, which is 7%, it went to J2. So this is relative cell referencing, F5 J2. If I click on this first one, you see it's F4 J1, F5 J2. And if I use the same formula here to give me F6 J3, F7 J4, so that is relative cell references. But I don't want that. So to be able to fix this 7%, that is to make it absolute, what I need to do is to click equal to, click on my first total value, click on asterisk, click on my second total value, and click on F4. If you click on F4, it has made this J1 an absolute value. That is a constant in an equation, in this equation now. So J1 is becoming a constant, which is set as a constant. If I click equal to, it gave me the figure. Then if I want to apply it across the board, what I need to do is I'll drag it down. So let's check my second column now. Have you seen it? F5 J1 J1, then F6 J1. So how to know if a cell value of a cell is fixed is the dollar sign. There must be a dollar sign in front of the column number and the row number. That's $J $1. So if you see $J $1, you know that is an absolute cell. That is a constant in equation. So it means that this 7% was multiplied constantly across the total value of each cell. So I don't even understand. So the shortcut, you can actually apply, you can actually type $J1 $F1 here, but making it easy, you can type $J1 $F1, but to make it easy, just click on J1, click on F4, and your relative cell reference has been absolute cell reference has been applied. Now, just as we did before, fill handle copies both formula and formatting, but this column here should be that of the total commission, summation of the total commission, not multiplication. So to do it, I'll just have to drag this formula here and equal to, that's giving me the summation of column J. So that'll be all for now, guys. I hope you understand. If you have any question, drop it down on the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.